only hope that we never lose sight of one thing, that it was all started by a mouse.
Hi everybody, I'm Jonathan Friday, Senior Creative Director at Walt Disney Imagineering. Mickey Mouse has been delighting audiences for over 95 years, and in this queue we get to celebrate some of his greatest moments. Let's walk you through some of those Easter eggs.
Hi, I'm Ali Wong, graphic designer at Walt Disney Imagineering. So you step into the El Capitan Theater and you see the Mickey Through the Ears exhibit, which was put on by the Hysterical Society and Minnie Mouse to celebrate the career of Mickey Mouse. There are so many fun Disney details inside, exclusive movie posters that you can only see here at the El Capitan.
Of course, Mickey's first feature film role was in The Sorcerer's Apprentice in Fantasia. We've got his original costume on display, including that enchanted blue sorcerer's hat, which every now and then a little bit of extra magic causes it to float up into the air. So one of my favorite things to look for is a haunted dresser from Lonesome Ghost, 1937. Every now and then, you might catch a beautiful reflection in that mirror. As a child of the 80s, I love that we have Mickey Mouse Disco and Mousercise on display. We have the costumes that Mickey wore on those album covers, and then you can hear through the AV equipment that Goofy helped set up selections from those albums. One of my favorite pieces is the gigantic Mouse-Skidoo from Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. I love hearing that song in my head every time I pass it in the queue.
Candy was designed exclusively for the El Capitan Theater. We made sure to cover as many characters as we could and show all your favorites and just put a lot of Disney details inside. And the popcorn, if you look carefully, you might see some familiar friends like Mickey, Minnie, and Donald.
Here age relives fond memories of the past. And here youth may savor the challenge and promise of the future. Disneyland is dedicated to the ideals, the dreams, and the hard facts that have created America, with the hope that it will be a source of joy and inspiration